Hey boss, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to do some deep conditioning in my daughter's hair, and I decided to share it with you guys. As you can see, she has a lot of bull up because I don't normally comb it every time, as she always feel pain and cry. And that's the reason why I prefer sometimes to do her some three twists too, or maybe a ponytail, because it is easier for her to handle. And yeah, and also she always have a lot of pull up every time I style her hair for like a week. Sometimes I prefer, like when I do some kind of three twists, if you watch some of my vlogs videos, you realize she has some three twists or two, depend on how I braid it. And she always end up with bull up because of her hair type, right? And they are all frizzy, they are always frizzy because of her hair type. She have type 4 hair, like myself. I have 4C. For those who don't know the types of hair we have 4 types of hair. The first type is a straight hair. The second type is wavy hair, and the third type is curly hair, and the fourth type is coily hair. So we are going to do some deep conditioning, and I would like you guys to come with us to the shop so that we can buy a nice conditioner for her hair and see how it will work. So I would like you to come with us, guys, and yeah, let's go to Warte mal, zeig mal her.
Wie sieht denn die aus?
She has dry hair.
Die Sonne scheint.
Oh, media chira.
Oder? Ja? Kommst du, Papa? Alles gut?
Yep.
Halluzination. Papa, ich brauche
Ach so, nein.
meine neue Junior.
Oh, pass mal ein bisschen auf. Ist das dein Junior-Zorn? Mach mal zwei.
I'm looking for.
Du hast ja einiges.
Gibt's ja
Now
nur
why?
Schminke.
Why should I close my eyes? Why should I close my eyes?
Ja, ich weiß, wenn jetzt unter Frosch ist, ist es schön.
Oh, shucks. I'm looking for a leave-in conditioner.
Was?
Leave-in conditioner for Rebecca's hair. Shampoo.
Hier gibt's Handtuch.
Yeah, they came to.
Hier, Leave-In Conditioner, Repair, bla bla bla.
Came to family. But I don't. Should I use it? There is one that I'm looking for. Can't you sometimes makes hair dry, right? When you use it, the beginning is good, but later you have very dry hair. So I want something that will stay like a week. And it's from this company.
Und ist das hier mit diesem Leave-In Conditioner?
This is also für dry hair.
Leave-In, kannst du drinnen lassen.
Für from aloe vera. Sometimes I prefer the avocado. I think I will take this one.
Ja, gern.
10 in 1.
Immer ja durch.
The 10 in 1 is my favorite. I think I will take the 2 and try them out. So one is from avocado and one from aloe vera. I will take the 2 just and try them.
Warte, ich muss meine 10%.
I also found this. But I'm not going to take it now. For the,
Kinderbürste, Anti-Ziehbürste.
I already have what is good.
Die ist schön.
They are looking nice, no? What is that? Let me see, Shas.
Eine Prinzessin und
Oh, no. Do you want her to take it, Papa?
macht mich ohne Arme.
So, there. Mm. Okay. Nice, was? Clever.
Nähte.
Ach so. Hm. We found this too.
This is hair food and shampoo. This is
It's like a leave-in conditioner or what? I just want to know so that
3 in 1.
3 in 1 sounds good.
Für trockenes und lockiges Haar, Intensivpflege, bla bla bla.
With aloe vera. But is it a mask?
Das weiß ich nicht, lies es doch.
Banana
Was es ist.
is a mask.
So.
3 in 1 mask. You see
Hier
here?
steht
It's written here.
Mama, wie sehe ich jetzt?
Oh, they are different.
different, for different hair type. Ja? For this, for trocken.
Mama, wie sehe ich denn jetzt aus?
Na, wie in den Nasentand.
Look.
Papaya.
No, banana,
Hier ist
watermelon,
für
aloe vera. What is
für
that?
Kakao.
Uh-huh.
Papa, Mama, guck mal, das ist ein Joghurt.
Looks good. And these are shampoo? No, the same here.
Hier hast du Spülung, Shampoo.
Conditioner and shampoo, okay. Ah, they are also freebies. No, I am tired of mask. I have a lot. And I don't want to use this one again. Princess, are you happy to do your hair today?
Ja.
Well, let's see if you are not going to cry. So, boss, we are back, and as you saw in the store, we went to buy a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to apply it on her hair. But first of all, we cannot apply a leave-in conditioner without washing, right? So, first of all, I'm going to apply a castor oil mixed with conditioner so that her hair will be soft. I can't comb it, guys. If I start combing her hair right now, you wouldn't even recognize her sitting down there and watching her tablet. So it is better I go with her slowly. And so we are going to first of all wash her hair, and before washing it, I would like to do a little bit, so a small mask in which I used to do on my hair. I normally do castor oil mixed with olive oil and sometimes egg, and so I will show it to you one in another video when I'm doing my hair treatment. But on her hair, I only apply castor oil, and I added the conditioner because I wanted it to be softer, right? Because as you could see, her hair is full of build up and very frizzy. As I was saying earlier on, she has type 4 hair, and in every type of hair we have 3 inside, right? That means every type of hair have A, B, C, and her type of hair, I have 4C hair and she has type 4A hair, right? So every type have 3 types inside. So the first type, which is straight hair, have also A, B, C, and the second type as well, the third type as well. So every type of hair have A, B, C inside. So I am type 4C and she is type 4A. My small boy has type 3C, and yeah, I have like 3 types of hair in my house. So but what I'm doing now, my daughter's hair is type 4A hair, right? So and the type 4 hair is always coily, right? So all type 4 hair is coily. And yeah, as you could see my daughter's hair, you could see it is not curly. We all have curly hair from the base, but with the different type, when you check well your type of hair, you find out what type do you have. And yeah, she also have low porosity. When we talk about low porosity, is the type of hair that doesn't soak in products, except you have to squeeze it, as I'm doing in the video, right? If you have high porosity, like the product soak very easily, and my daughter have low porosity, so I always have to add the product and like try to squeeze the hair so that the product will be deep in, so that the product will work actually, right? So if you don't know the type of porosity you have, that's what it is. Like if you have low one, like my daughter own, the product doesn't go in easily, but if you have high one, the product goes easily in. And yeah, she also have high density. That means you can't see the hair is not thin. She has thick type, right? That's the same density. Yeah. So first of all going to deep conditioning, and then hubby will go and wash it, as they don't allow me to wash their hair. As I always wash deeply, and they don't like that. Yeah, they prefer their father to wash their hair. So sometimes when we want to do her hair, hubby washed and I style. That's it. So I am done now, and I'm going to protect her hair with a plastic cap so that She will stay like at least 1 hour, but I could see the video is too long. We are going to make it a part 2, right guys? It was a pleasure for me to share this video with you. I love you all and see you in my next one. Mwah.